The voice of the voiceless, hopeless, money never made me, being broke did. Welcome to the OGPOV universe where we kicking game from an OG point of view. And check it out, I got an unboxing here, man. In my hands, I have a few pair of old headphones that I had through the years. Power Beats Pro. This is the third rendition. So you know how it is with headphones. Like this one, I lost both headphones here. I got the case. With these were AirPod Pro 2s. I believe they were fake though. I lost one. My daughter broke one side of these. These are Beats Studio Pros. I'm missing one. I gotta order another one here. But this is how I used to move. What I have now is I have the AirPod Pro 4s and I have the AirPod Pro 4s. I have both of these. This is a solid pair. And I have the Beats Fit Pro. I lost the case in like a Uber. A lot has been going on. But, you know, with that, all that being said, I have a couple different things I want to unbox today. So I bought a charging case for my Beats Fit Pro. I'm really excited about this. We're going to start here. I bought anti-slip covers for my AirPod Pro 4s, or my AirPod 4 Pros, I should say. So these are the ones without the hook. These are the ones with the hook. Let's start with the hook, all right? So no diddy. We're gonna unbox these. We're gonna try them on. Hopefully they work well. This is my second time buying anti-slip covers. This is the first one that I bought. Shout out to whatever this brand is, but it was very, very slim, very, very flimsy. Putting these on, I ripped a couple pairs. It was a hard process. They work really well though. I ain't gonna hold you. They work really well. So I was just empowered to buy some more. And I went on Amazon and saw that they had the ones with the hooks. So I'm like, you know what? I got a trip coming up. Let me see if I could upgrade my whole situation. So let's take these off. This is the brand though. GCIOII. That's the brand right there. Off top, as soon as you open up the packaging, you could tell this is quality. They have a whole nice setup in there. It comes with 3 different pairs. Let's lift it. It comes with 3 different pairs. Okay, so what I'm looking for is this like a carrying case? What I'm looking for is I want these to actually have a nice fit. I want them to be sturdy. I don't want to feel like I'm going to rip them every time I put them on. And I just want to upgrade my situation. I love the AirPod Pro 4s, but they slip out of your ears sometimes. Like, you know, you can't really get busy. You can't really work out in these joints, you know, too much. Look, if I shake my head, they fall right out. They come right out. All right, so that's what we want to avoid. So I was looking at the reviews on these, and supposedly it's an easy application. So this is the left one. You're supposed to just slide right in. So let's see. We're just gonna slide this. Oh, I ain't gonna hold you. That felt great. That felt really good. Wow, that felt good. I love that. Hold on. Let's try it out. Come on. You know, it's a hit or miss when you're getting aftermarket products because sometimes they just don't work. As I shake my head, these are sturdy. These are in there. I love the hook. So this reminds me of my Beats Fit Pros. You know what I mean? That hook is revolutionary. It just fits really well in there. So let's put these let's put the other one in. See how that works, just like that. Boom. Slides right in there. It aligns with all the portholes and everything. Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect. I love this fit. This is an amazing fit. I'm thankful already. I think I paid $15 for these. I paid $15 for the hooks, and the pair with the hooks, and I paid $15 for the ones without the hooks. So far, so good. So it also comes with, I guess this is some sort of case. So it came with 3 different pairs. It came with I guess this is to put on your key ring. dope. This is a very, very sturdy keyring right here. I love it. Designed by GCIOII. I gotta get the actual enunciation of that. Pronunciation, excuse me. Dope, super dope. I'm loving it already. So let's see what else we got here. So we got 3 different pairs. We got the sturdy hook, and okay, it has a troubleshooting guide. Oh no, this is the wrong one. Hold on. So customer service card. It has what is this? A microfiber cloth. Dope. With their brand initials in there. Here's the card. So it's just okay. It says it has a clean AirPods with the microfiber cloth. Select the hook in the exact direction. This is just a quick little pamphlet. Look at that. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. I'm loving them already. I'm loving them. Super dope. So I got the same brand without the hooks as well. Let's open these up too. Same brand without the hooks. I bought a pair with the hooks and without the hooks. And the reason why, so this is the older pair that I had. I don't know what brand this is, but it was very flimsy. I ended up losing them. I misplaced them. I think I misplaced them. To this point, I gotta find them. But I just figured, you know what? Let me just buy some more. This counts with three pair as well. Dope packaging. I just love the packaging. Quality brand so far. Okay, 3 different. Okay, so these aren't as sturdy as the ones with the hooks, but they're more sturdy than the previous brand that I had. I'm not going to try these on right now. Judging by how they come in with the hooks, no diddy, you know, these joints is all that. You know, so we're going to save these. So that's for my AirPod Pros. AirPod 4 Pros. Super dope. Let me see what this carrying case is talking about. It says the carrying case. Carrying case. So I guess because you can't put these into the. Can you charge these? No, you can't charge these while on. So I guess you just take it off. Yeah. We just I had to separate the boys. They just needed a break. You know what I mean? So he's gonna watch TV by himself, which is okay. Yeah, so this is a carrying case. I'm feeling this. I'm really feeling this whole design here. Got the carrying case, so you know, you just take them off just like that, and then you can safely charge your AirPod 4s just like that. I'm loving it. I am loving it. This works perfect. This works perfect. I wonder what this is for. I wonder what this hook is for. Does it go through there? I don't think so. Oh, you know what? It's probably just like this. This goes on here. Boom. And then this goes on your keys. I don't have my keys down here, but dope product. I'm a fan. So I'm ready for my trip, but the main event here is I finally got a charging case for my Beats Fit Pros. These are an amazing pair of headphones, noise cancellation, dope, nice tight fit. Oh, I haven't been able to wear these in over 6-7 months. Misplaced the case. Let's see if the charger case works. Let's see what it comes with. Dope. So the charger case is in the same format as before. It comes with a cord, charger cord. So my main thing with aftermarket products is just make sure that they charge properly. Make sure that they work. Let's see. Let's turn the Bluetooth on my MacBook Pro. So it says, first activate the Bluetooth setting on your phone. Don't plug in charger during Bluetooth pairing process. Put the original Beats Fit Pro into charging case and turn and turn on the lid. Then long press the whole sync button until the green light is flashing. Please wait and do not switch the lid on and off repeatedly when the pairing is. So I'm not going to pair this right now because I want to make sure that this is fully charged. So we're going to see if we can get this red light to go. All I need fully charged is a green light on, not green light flashing, but green light on means that everything's charged. So we're going to let those charge. So far so good. Let me know if you guys ever bought any aftermarket products for your headphones. I'm thankful I'm back in the game. I got my AirPod 4 anti-slip cover. Super duper dope. And they give you extras, so that's always a plus. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Have you ever bought any aftermarket items from Amazon? How hard is it for you to keep your AirPods together? I know for me it's a full-time job in moments. You know, again, I got the Powerbeats Pro 3s. This is an aftermarket case actually. I think I don't even know if I have these headphones laying around. I might have to buy a whole new joint, but sometimes I just like to switch it up. So I got the AirPod Powerbeats Pro 3, AirPod Pro 2. Here we go, AirPod Pro 2, which these are fake, you know, older pair. AirPod Pro 4s, and I got the Beats Fit Pro. Let me know what you think in the comments. Stay locked into all things OGPOV. Subscribe to the channel, and you know, figure it out.